can't tell you how many of you guys have told me to watch this video. I don't know what the hell to expect. I can only expect it's gonna be something crazy and jacked up because it has like over 10 million views, and so many of you guys have been asking me to watch the dadgum thing. Lego. Alright, Nintendo 64. Retarded 64. Psychic. Super Psychic Italian King. What's this? This bitch just shouts.
Let's go.
Why does this bitch have one titty?
Excuse me.
This bitch got one titty, one nipple.
Certified pet Russian dolphin.
Why does no one pay attention to Luigi?
Why is this nigga changing forms in the middle of...
What's 9 plus 10?
Why do
So-
my farts smell?
Why is everyone changing forms? So is this just people saying memes or some shit?
Hey, you got a license for that?
For real? Just instantly in jail. Community service board.
Mamma mia.
Dollar awarded spaghetti reader for real? Oh, so he's...
Treat.
What the fuck? What? Boys will never give me a chance. You gotta give me a chance.
What the fuck? Really? Really? When? Really?
Very scary.
It's a gas station towards Spooky Street. What the fuck? Oh,
No! 1,000 times no! I'm sick of
fucking jump scares.
Get somebody else to fucking do
What the fuck is going on?
you!
Well, if you're here for the job, oh, don't worry, the other guy, he didn't get along with the robots.
Hey there, buddy. How's it going?
For real? This shit looks like it's gonna be entertaining, like real shit, straight up. How the fuck I work at a spaghetteria and not even providing free spaghetti? Yeah, that could be, I could be.
Nice computer you got here.
What the
Plums.
fuck is that robot doing here?
Look at this.
How the fuck did they edit this? Okay, 1 a.m. Wow, you instantly decide to go against your own fucking
If you want food, plums.
Oh, nigga, that's some prison rape type shit.
Plums.
Really? The booty song? This is really funny. For real? Really? That is hilarious. Oh my god.
Have 12 penises.
12 penises?
Suck them into your orifices. Yeah, never mind. Scratch
12 penises? What?
not to get caught. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Hey, dude, just wanted to let you know the pizza's
Fuck that's your guards, man.
Get in my belly!
Really?
You gonna finish that pizza? I'm going to
Plums.
rape you!
What the fuck?
Someone remove the friggin' pizza!
What the fuck is this? Really?
Hello, sir. Would you like to order?
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
Spaghetti! No!
Pizza!
Fingers, 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 fingers.
This nigga came in and said,
Fingers, fingers, fingers.
oh my god.
Ma'am, here's your pizza.
Really?
And
Is it fucking the pizza?
would you like to see a magic trick?
Who made this shit?
Plums.
What the fuck? Justin Bieber.
So remember,
You want your finger in my
ass?
Because I love you.
The fuck?
Right? I'm always hungry. Now make with the pizza, Bento.
What the fuck?
alright? Fuck you.
Oh,
Eto,
these guys are getting more annoying than scary. I can see that.
Oh god! What the fuck? What the fuck, okay?
Markiplier! And he gets his mini spaghetti.
Come here,
Oh my god, Mario EXE? What the fuck is this video?
Toad!
What the fuck? This video is fucking. Oh my god! What?
Just kidding, man!
For real? Damn it, why couldn't it be have been real? What the fuck? You just had one. Go away, get you by your just screaming pizza and penis into the fucking phone.
La la la.
Danger! Danger!
Why does she get half a
Danger! Danger!
Oh, he's fucked. We've all been there, dude. The power has run out on all of us. Just blow everything up, including your own ass. That makes sense.
No.
For real. Power level. Did he just shit an explosion? The fuck? Oh shit.
Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long.
Really?
Sorry, better
I'm not implying that they
I wonder how long it took him to make this, dude. This shit is hilarious.
sorry, better safe than sorry. Hey, I'm hungry.
Chica! Just wanted to let you know the pizza's ready.
Why is he in a jail though? Is he on meth? Or crack?
Hey,
Definitely meth. Oh shit, is he about to fight?
You don't.
Was that Neo music from the Matrix?
You ain't going to. You ain't going to.
I wonder what meme that's from.
Ain't going. You ain't going to do it.
Oh! What the fuck is going on? I love how they're the ones hiding from Mario now. Is that what the premise? Oh, okay, so that's what the premise is now. They're hiding from him now. That's fucking hilarious. Oh shit. Oh shit. Maybe I should take off my headphones for this. This might be a joke. Okay, that wasn't that bad. It could have been worse. What the fuck? Why is this now?
You had one job. One job.
Why is he naked?
want any food?
What the fuck? You know what's really funny, man? Like, so many of you people have been telling me to watch this video. I thought it was gonna be shit. I thought it was gonna suck. I thought there was gonna be something wrong with it, or it was gonna be lame, or maybe even boring or something, since so many people have been telling me to watch it. But like, I'm happy to say it's complete utter opposite of that. Like, this is one of the most entertaining videos I've seen in a long time. Like, there's so much creativity and work and editing that went into making this video. Oh shit, that is hilarious! Like, a lot of you guys have been telling me that there's a second one. You know, I'll make sure to do a reaction to that video. The only thing that sucks is I have to wait to watch it because you know I gotta record when I do watch it. As always, the links to this guy's video and his channel are in the description down below. Make sure to go check it out. Make sure to watch mostly probably all of his videos, man. I can only imagine this video took like a month at least to make after he already had the idea and everything, because there was actually a story in it as well. Thanks to everybody who suggested this to me, because I would have never watched this video beforehand because the thumbnail didn't look that interesting. Like, I'm sitting there, that's what made me think that it was gonna suck. I'm like, oh, this thumbnail is, you know, just like every other SFM Five Nights at Freddy's video, you know, oh, Jesus, it's probably not gonna be that good. But I was pleasantly surprised, man. It was a complete and utter opposite. Always, the boy Blast says, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Twism.